Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a match attack 23-24 season of. Also it's got Pogba, Jude Bellingham, Haaland, Lewandowski and Mount. See some of the cards there. New block edges, chrome shields, all new energy cards now available. These starter packs are stacked, guaranteed special inside card inside. 2-player play pitch, 4 ATTAX cards, 2 packs, premium mega binder, game guide and checklist. The Zen card is ultra rare, pull 1 in 500 packs. There's the energy cards, 100 clubs, chrome shields, some of the cards, legendary moments and man of the matches. Cost $7.99. Let's get straight into it. There's the binder, and there's the 3 packs. There's the 2 packs and limited edition. Got the binder. That'll be the front. Marquinhos, Bellingham, Haaland, Musiala, Mount and Lewandowski. Of course, Aston Villa, Man City, Arsenal, Newcastle, Barcelona, West Ham, Liverpool, Newcastle, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, PSG, Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund, Leipzig, Bayern Leverkusen, Feyenoord, Frankfurt, Ajax, Benfica, Porto, Sporting and Real Sociedad. That's the front. You get dual autos of, that's only showing you 2 or 1 of the dual autos. You can get Anthony and Bruno Fernandes for the real one, or you can get a single one like that one. Artists of the game, limited editions. They're in some tins. All new relics. The relics better there than last year. Some tours are doing. We probably won't be going this year. I'll think about it, but no. We got Real Betis, Salzburg, Lazio, Inter Milan, Inter Heritage is quite a lot. Legendary moment, cult heroes, man of the matches, next gen, 100 clubs. Man City's got 4, Arsenal's got 2. Exclusive limited editions, black edges, Pro Elite shields, energy. We've got Haaland, the Zen one. Artist of the game, Ronaldinho, Zidane, Ronaldo. Then there's the sleeve and the game guide, the game pitch. It's quite big, can't get it all on camera. Of course there's Haaland, Jude Bellingham, let's look at the game guide, see what's in it. Crystal parallels. Then you've got holographic foils, so man of the matches and next gen. Then you've got heritage cars, which are from 2009 to 2010 collection. 100 clubs, of course you can see who the 101 is, Haaland. Go for pull one of those or the black edge. Some of the new chromes, everyone's going to go for him. Different variations. The energy. Listen, if you're a Newcastle supporter, you probably want to go for them for the energy card. And these are some of the limited edition designs. Then you got genuine autograph cards. Man City's got 2. Other teams got probably 2. Then you got them ones, which is only 4. Then you got the relics, memento relics, and the player worn jersey relics. The Zen card of Haaland. I've seen a couple of them been pulled on Facebook in the group I'm in. Some exclusive blue lightning limited editions. Some gold rush. Honestly, there's a way to find out. I'll get them. Then you got the advent calendar. We'll probably get that one or the other one, the Adrenaline XL. Ooh, new signings coming up soon. You've got Halloween Worm, Christmas, and Star Baller. Penguin, WH Smith's exclusive. And these are all the products. Of course, we've already done a first edition multi-pack. They are the booster tins, there's 4 of them. Which will have one of them artists of the game. They came out, same as there's a collection for £9.99. Mega tins at £14.99. Mega multi-packs and eco packs. All exclusive mega multi-pack. Guarantee. Ooh. That really is that small. You have a chance of finding Duke Benegum limited edition. 1 in 4. You got a super pack, 72 cards plus 1 jumbo card, £20. Available in Tesco's only. Mega box, available in Argos. How much is that? It says it includes 1 12-pack, a mega multi-pack, a booster tin, a mega tin, exclusive summer signing limited edition, or random limited edition. But there's no price. But others do. Don't know. Then that's all of them. Let's get straight into these are the pack designs. Let's open this one. Ooh, could that be? Could it be a black edge? Code card. We've got captain, no shiny this season. Bruno Fernandes, next gen. Oh no way! We've got Martin Odegaard, 100 club. Wow, in our starter pack. What can we get in here then? Can we get like the Zen? Or an energy card? see black, could that be another 100 club? Dybala, Juventus badge, nice shiny this season. Finisher Mbappe, Legend Gerrard, and Heritage. And we didn't get another 100 club. Into the new editions. Nice reward card. 100 million. Ooh, Turbo Talent, Vinicius Jr. Ooh, limited edition of all the people on the start, except, oh, it's got Casemiro instead of Mount. And of course, Haaland, the big one himself. How many goals will he score this season? Then got all the tactics, injury card, agent card, VAA card, and referee card. They're even more shiny this season compared to last season. I don't say what the odds are for 100 clubs. 100 clubs. Ah. 100 clubs are 1 in 8 packs. And we packed 1 in a multi-pack. The 100 clubs actually look cool, how they've got the player coming out and the 100. 6 attacks, 166 defence. Comment down below if you want what's it called? The Mega Box. It doesn't sound that bad to be honest with all that. Exclusive summer signing. From that, it looks like we get Kai Havertz. Well, that could be just in any box, to be honest. You get a Mega tin and a Pocket tin, or Booster tin for this collection. It's called, and a pack and a Mega multi pack. And it's available in Argos, so you get the Super Pack. You probably get any cards from the Jumbo. You can't quite see them. But it looks like you get probably it looks like Alvarez, Gavi, Odegaard, and some others. Can't quite see. Then you got the Mega multi-pack, which you can probably get. You can Generation Talent, found 1 in 4. All these. Or in the booster tin, we can do one of those. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this starter pack video.